simple bottom turner with shutter. A simple top guide with shutter. Install activator with shutter. Install top and bottom tracks to the cabinet. Install soft closing damper to the cabinet. Tilt shutter mount on bottom track. Align shutter with top track. Move a top guide. Check final movement and fix all components for better performance.